Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some jammy Dodger Blondies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your butter, and then just add in your white chocolate as well, and melt this in the microwave in 30-second bursts until the mixture is completely melted and smooth. Then add in your sugar and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. Once that's incorporated and mixed in, you can go ahead and add in your eggs and whisk until they are very well combined. You will notice a change in the consistency. Add in your vanilla and whisk until it's fully worked in. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, which is your flour and your chocolate chips, and then just fold these in with a spatula until you have a clear, and it won't be a smooth batter because of the chocolate chips, but you shouldn't be able to see a trace of any flour or dry ingredients. That's not what you're looking for. Then transfer this into a lined cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper. You can then go ahead and just spread and level this out to get as level as possible. Then add dollops of jam all over the top. I added 9, but feel free to use more or less jam, it's really up to you. Then take a knife and swirl it all around until you have some sort of pretty looking pattern like this. Bake it off, and then to finish it, just add on some jammy Dodgers. You can also do this before, but I don't like how the biscuits taste afterwards. I prefer to add them after. Just press them in until they are secure in place, and then you're good to go. You can then go ahead and chill these in the fridge. Once they've chilled for a couple of hours, you can then slice them up. So I like to cut my blondies and brownies from firm, as it's much easier and it makes them the perfect consistency. So you can cut them into as many or as few pieces as you'd like. I went with 8, but feel free to go with more or less, again, to suit whatever the occasion is that you're serving these for. And here is what it looks like. You can see the jam swirled throughout, you can see the jammy Dodgers that are placed on top. You've got a perfect balance of a lot of jammy Dodger on this one, but again, it depends on the amount of jammy Dodger you have. You can see the jam swirled throughout, the dense blondie, which is perfect, and the studded white chocolate chips throughout. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.